And how do you foresee this behavior where most of the matrices are hard numbers right now? So does this lead CS guys to be more aggressive in pursuing those dollars? Is it like aggravating the customers? Is it like helping them? Like how does the balance change?
Yeah, there's a really famous quote. Well, famous to me. I quote this
Hmm.
person a lot. I don't know if others know this, but JB Wood from TSIA many years ago said, selling won't help, but helping will sell. And I think that is true more than ever today. Um, because yes, like people may say like, oh, I need to accomplish certain goals and certain metrics, but ultimately the CS mindset is like, I want to be helpful to the customer, right? I'm looking to provide significantly more value than what they're paying for, and if that is true, if I do the right things, it will be rewarded with renewals and expansions and upsells. And so I do think that that is exactly what we're seeing now. The companies that continue to do well are continuing to invest CS resources in helping those customers achieve value and bring back their feedback on how to make the product better, with the end goal being that customers like long term, the goal always has to be there needs to be no CS, right? In a perfect world, all products would be so easy, so highly valuable that nobody needs to ever interact with a person unless they really want to, right? And so taking that feedback and figuring out how can we effectively put ourselves out of a job over time, those are going to be the teams and the companies that thrive. And of course, nobody will ever really be out of a job. There will always be new things that you can do, but the goal shouldn't be like take on more, manual tasks and manual labor for customers. The goal should always be like, hey, how can we automate ourselves out of having to do all these things so we can ultimately, get to do other interesting things in the business.